Friends, if you're interested in learning about whether you're eligible to apply for a work permit or the EAD, watch this video. A lot of changes are taking place these days with even the basic things of immigration, such as the work permit application. A lot of changes are taking place these days that you guys really need to be attuned to. Before I dive into it, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm Latoya McBean Pompey. For those of you who are new to me, welcome to my channel. I invite you to subscribe and watch other videos and hit this notification bell so that you'll be the first to get my videos each week. Now in this one, let's talk about the categories of individuals who are eligible for the EAD. Not everyone is eligible for the EAD. And in fact, I've seen some people come to us for consultations who have been deceived into thinking they are eligible for the EAD, and they apply and they get into deeper waters, really, because they're not even eligible for that immigration benefit. And now, if you go on USCIS's website, the instructions are there for you to review, and I'm going to pull it up here so that you could see which categories of individuals are eligible for the EAD. Now, the first categories involve those who are asylees and refugees and those who are seeking asylee status in the United States. It begins with the A3 category for refugees, and then there's the A5 category for asylees, and then the C8 category is the big one. That's for those with a pending asylum application. Now, things have changed significantly recently for those who have a pending asylum application. You now have to wait 365 days before you're eligible to apply for a work permit. Specifically, the government says you must wait 365 calendar days from the date you properly filed with USCIS or the immigration court your asylum application. You must also have appeared for your asylum biometrics appointment. You must also have appeared for an interview with a USCIS asylum officer or the immigration judge, and you had appeared for your biometrics service appointment for your work permit application. And there are some other special instructions here that are applicable for those with a pending asylum application. And I invite you to read these pages, page 2 and 3, very carefully so that you understand. Pages 2, 3, and 4. Read those pages very carefully so that you don't make any mistakes about this process. Also, you should know that the I-765 application has changed with respect to how it's treating individuals with a pending asylum application. I did a video very recently about the new I-765 application and the questions that relate to those of you with pending asylum applications. I'm going to link to it right now, right here, so that you could go back, watch that video, and see those very important questions on that application, because things are getting tougher, particularly for those of you who entered the country without inspection and then you later applied for asylum. Very important that you watch that earlier video. Guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Again, be sure to share it with other people. Comment below, let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.